Are you looking to learn what you can make with needle felting needles? If so, then you're on the right video, because today I'm going to share with you 10 needle felting ideas and more. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, what you can make with needle felting needles ideas. My name is Iceland, and on this channel, Snowflake Forest Felting, I share needle felting videos, have needle felting tutorials, and share product reviews from time to time. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check the links down in the description below this video, or leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you there. So today I wanted to share some needle felting creations ideas with you. But before we get into that, I wanted to share really quickly here. If you're going to be recreating anyone's creations, be sure and give them credit. And also make sure you understand copyright laws. And never try to sell someone else's creations as your own. And also remember, if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check those links down in the description below. I always have more there. Now let's get into these 10 ideas. The first felting creation that you can make with wool is felted soap. And then you can also take that a step farther and use your needle felting needles and create a design on top of the soap. Number 2, you can create felted balls. These could be for garlands or felt pom-pom bouquets. And these are great home decor pieces. Number 3, you can create dryer balls. These are going to be eco-friendly. You're going to be able to cut back on the use of dryer sheets, especially if you're using essential oils with them. They're going to make your laundry dry faster and smell better. Number 4, you can create home decor pieces like these happy mushrooms. I have made multiples of these and customized versions of them as well and sold them via Etsy. Number 5, you can make baby decor, from garlands to hang in the nursery, baby mobiles above the crib or in a corner, which also brings me to number 6. You can create newborn props with them that would help maybe tie in a theme that a photographer might be using in one of their sessions. This personally is one of my favorite themes to create with wool. Number 7, you can create clothing, purses. Ideas with wool in the fashion industry are endless. Number 8, you can use the wool for spinning to make yarn with it. You can even make customized wigs with needle felting needles. Number 10, you can make felted hats. And this is something that I've always wanted to try as well. I also wanted to share a little fun fact about needle felting that I love sharing with people is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer was created with needle felted items. They were about a foot tall and made with wax and wire, which is just incredible. Definitely one of my favorite felted creations ever, and one of my top favorite cartoons. And I also wanted to share, if you're looking for a little bit of history on needle felting, I did share some of that in my beginner series. If you're looking for a great beginner series, I have a 3-part really quick videos that you can get through. I'll be sure and link them. You can create a felted star with me and learn how far back needle felting goes. And again, you'll find that link down in the description below. And that's it. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please be sure and give this video a thumbs up. If you think this video can help someone else, please be sure and share it, as with all my videos. And if there's something you'd like to see me create next, drop it down in the comments below. I might just create it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, happy felting, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!